Hello, welcome to this tutorial. As it was promised in the last tutorial, we are going to talk about how to read data from an Excel file. This can be very useful if you are presented with data in Excel format. It's very usual. Or you're going to work with data generated by some other application. This is very useful. So the way we are going to do this is we are going to use the Excel file generated in the last episode, these data, and we are going to read data from that Excel file, and we are going to scatter plot those points. So the first thing we do, as always, is import our libraries. The first library is OpenPyExcel. The next one is import OS, because we are going to open a file in our Python program. We need OS library. And the other thing is import matplotlib.pyplot import as plt. So this is the library that we are going to plot our graph with. So the next thing we're going to do is define the file variable. So we are going to use OS library, os.getcwd. This is the parent directory, the folder we're in, the address of the folder we're in. And this one, os.listdir, is list of the file in our directory. And I think the first file, our Excel file, if we have a look, file, yes, that was true. So this is our file. We have found the path of our file. This is the path of our file. And the next thing we're going to do, we're going to load this file with OpenPyExcel library. So book is openpyexcel dot load underscore work book file, and sheet, as we said in the last episode, sheet is book.active. Next thing we're going to do is we are going to define x and y variables from the Excel file. Okay, x's are sheet, I and 0, first column, for I in range 2 and 20. Why they write 2 to 20? Because as you remember, the first row is the header of our data. You can see variables and functions. We don't need that in our x and y list. And y list is sheet I 1 for I in range 2 to 20. Okay. Now the data is ready. We're going to scatter plot it. plt.scatter x and y plt. Also we can define x label and y label by our column headers. X label is sheet 1, first row, 0, and yeah, this is, sorry, I forgot to write value. If you want to have the value of the cell, you have to write dot value at the end. So plt dot y label will be sheet 1 1 value. Okay, and the last thing will be plt dot show, and we run this here. As you can see, these are the data generated from the last episode's Excel file, and these are the Y label and X label. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.